Welcome to the CAD Builder video tutorial series. Today we will be covering the menus of the Cutlist module. Let's go ahead and open a recently completed multi-room design. Now that we have a design open with all its design settings set, we can go ahead and navigate down to the Cutlist module. Once you click on the Cutlist module, you will notice a long list breaking down all of the cabinet parts, identifying them by room and by SKU. In the left section of this menu is where all of the rooms will be selected, as well as what cabinets or items are within that room. You will notice that this menu automatically selects both rooms. If you would like to print a single cut list per room, you could disable the second room by selecting the grayed out box next to the room's name. Once the grayed out box is checked, you'll notice the laundry room is removed from the cut list, leaving only the kitchen floor plan. Across from the Select All icon on the left side of the cut list is a filter icon. This filter icon allows you to set custom filter presets to exclude or include certain items from your cut list. If you click on the pencil next to Select a Profile, you will see a new dialog box pop up. This box now allows you to create custom filter profiles and set what you want to include in them. In the right sections of the Cutlist module is where all the individual cabinet parts are located. Right now, if you look back on the left side of the menu, we currently have this sorted by assembly. You can select the drop-down and sort it by cabinet as well, if that is the view that you prefer. At the top left of the screen, you'll notice an Export Cutlist button, which will allow you to export this sheet to a CSV, LST, or RZG file type. Directly to the right of that is the Add to Drawings button, which will take the current cut list and add it as an image to our drawings collection for later use. You also have the Machines Library and Tools Library buttons. These sections will allow you to set up your machines and tool sets. Your tool sets should match your materials, allowing you to output your G code with the click of a button. The next icon to the right is the Print button, which will simply print the current cut list to your preferred print source. The last button in this section is our cabinet warnings. The cabinet warnings will tell you if any errors have occurred within the job so that you can identify them. This allows you the opportunity to go back and fix any of the mistakes before we optimize the job. In the right-hand section, we mentioned how the list provides you with all of the cabinet pieces within the job. If you start from left to right, the sections will provide you the quantity, the name, length, width, thickness, material, SKU, and last to optimize the selection or not. At the top of each column, where the name is listed, there is also a little triangle pointing down. Let's go ahead and click on the quantity box. You will see a little selection box pop up, allowing you to sort by ascending, descending, as well as a selection to show or hide columns. Let's go ahead and select Show Hide Columns to bring up the new selection menu. Here is where you can decide what columns you want to include or exclude on your Cutlist printout. Now the rest of the columns will have the same selections as we just went over for the quantity, the only exception being the Optimize box. The Optimize box lets you filter all the parts down to their main category and decide to optimize them or exclude them from your optimization. A lot of users will do this for drawers and doors if they do not make them in-house and will be outsourcing them. Go ahead and click on Optimize and scroll through the options you can filter out, just giving a brief description. The last selection on the Cutlist module is the Configure and Optimize button found at the bottom of the left-hand side. The Configure and Optimize button will allow you to fine-tune your materials and your tools, as well as pick through remnants and label templates for your job. Thank you again for watching our CAD Builder training video. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one. To view additional video tutorials, please visit www.cadbuilder.com. www.cabbuildersoftware.com/training.